Work-from-home opportunities are abundant across a diverse range of fields and interests, providing individuals with the flexibility to generate extra income while maintaining their comfort and routine. If you're looking for ways to earn money from home, consider the following options. 1. Room rentals. Utilize spare rooms or basements for rental on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. Generate passive income with minimal effort by carefully managing your property. 1. Online tutoring. Offer tutoring services in subjects or standardized tests online. Utilize online tutoring websites or social media for advertising. 1. Virtual assisting. Provide administrative support remotely to clients. Opportunities found through social media, networking events, or freelancing websites. 1. Freelance writing. Create content for various purposes such as websites, blogs, or advertisements. Cater to different types of clients with specialized or broad writing services. 1. Transcribing. Convert speech to text with excellent attention to detail. Paid per audio hour, offering flexibility but may require transcription of less interesting topics. 1. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses, engaging with followers and creating content. Proficiency in various social media platforms is necessary. 1. Online surveys. Earn extra money by providing feedback through online survey websites. Not highly lucrative but offers flexibility. 1. In-home daycare. Offer childcare services from home, potentially attracting a steady client base. Pricing usually based on a flat daily or weekly rate. 1. Blogging. Monetize personal blogs through advertisements or affiliate marketing. Requires time to build a loyal following but can generate passive income. 1. Dropshipping. Sell products without inventory by forwarding orders to suppliers. Profit from price differences between retail and wholesale. 1. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Content can include text, videos, quizzes, etc., catering to specific skills or expertise. 1. Online photo sales. Sell professional quality photographs to stock photo websites. Provide visuals for marketing materials and earn money. 1. Pet sitting. Offer pet sitting services in your home for pet owners in need. Consider living situation and insurance before offering services. 1. Selling homemade crafts and art. Sell homemade crafts and art on online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy. Transition to own website once established. 1. Graphic design. Provide graphic design services to businesses and nonprofits. Showcase skills with a variety of work samples and charge flat or hourly rates. 1. Proofreading. Correct spelling, grammar, and consistency errors in various texts. Market skills through social media or proofreading websites, potentially requiring tests before hiring. These work-from-home opportunities allow you to diversify your income stream and find a job that suits your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Whether you're seeking passive income or a more active way to earn money, there are numerous options available to you.